Let's see where life take us today. Aha. Shout out to Traveling Wheels. This is a company I've been working with for a really long time. We're putting together a new tire machine. Got the airlines hooked up so far. Oh.
Forgot we're supposed to be there. Shit I need to do.
This business goes hand in hand with mine because when I have clients that need tires, since I'm mobile, I can get a mobile tire shop to pull up, you know? And they do really good work. And the tires they have, brand new with warranty, just like Discount Tire, Walmart, Goodyear, all of them. That's actually where the last set I got my tires from. I've got like 80,000 miles so far on those tires. So, yeah. And check out underneath this hood too. Hike. Aha. Tis the 7.5 V8 from Ford. I've been working on this car for a pretty long time too. I want to say since like 2016. The water pump I installed doesn't look the same. It's weird. Oh, it's just the rust, the oxidation. But it's still holding up pretty nice. That was installed over 5 years ago. Oh, yes. All right, we got that squared away. Pretty much got 90% of the installation put together, but it was a lot of different pieces that came from the manufacturer. It was trying to make it work, but now it has to go back to the distributor to get some adjustments.